browser on Windows operating system. You can get the Comet installer from the official website. First things first, double click on the installer to launch the setup wizard. Click on the start install button. This will download the Comet browser and install it on your machine. So Comet browser is an agentic browser that is capable of running AI agents and assistants. So this will enhance your browsing as well as search experience. The browser is built on open source Chromium framework. The installation is complete. Click on the launch Comet button to launch. Looks like this is a welcome screen. Now click on the get started button. So the other browsers that is built on Chromium is like Google Chrome, Edge. So you can just import the existing browser settings like browser history, bookmarks and passwords. You can click on the import button to import from Chrome. You can customize the browser by setting a username and avatar. Click on the continue button. You can just make Comet browser as the default browser. Add Comet to your taskbar and the startup options. Now click on start Comet button to start the browser. Here we go. That's it. The Comet browser is installed on your Windows machine.